I'm Caden Marlowe, and this is Big Data's use for sustainable development goals. Okay, what is big data? Big data is a set of large, complex data sets. It is used to identify trends and patterns and can be defined by the five V's, which are volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. Who is using big data? The current users are tech companies. Potential users could be small businesses, educational institutions, and public health organizations. It's a big impact for jobs in data fields, such as like data analysts. Um, a lot of current users are mostly tech companies that have a lot of resources at hand. So Google uses them in their algorithm. So does YouTube, Facebook, that sort of thing. They all use them for a large sample size to improve data insights. So where are they using big data? Some of the most prominent countries include Japan, the United States, India, and China. Some of the most prominent cities include Tokyo, New York, and Singapore, mostly smart cities. Businesses like hospitals, public service departments, and e-commerce markets also use big data. Why are they using big data? And here we have a SWOT analysis. Strengths include real-time analysis for vehicle monitoring. So if we wanted to have preventative maintenance done on vehicles, we can use big data to help see what might go wrong. Strong R&D capabilities, so just very good implications for research and development, and supply chain optimization. Some weaknesses include dependence on older systems, its limited local use, so it's mostly confined to big companies right now, and privacy concerns like cybersecurity threats. Opportunities include expansion into autonomous vehicles, a personalized user experience, and future for personalized use. So basically, use for personalized everyday life. It's a big opportunity, big area to expand into. Threats include cybersecurity risks associated with widespread usage and regulatory challenges. Basically, the moral threat of taking others' data and using it to train large models. So, when are they using big data? The adoption of big data is already underway. It will grow with 5G technology and with IoT, and its estimated peak adoption is between now and 2030, though this could extend or retract depending on how fast current market trends escalate. Big data for SDGs in Japan. Used for healthcare to track disease outbreaks and optimize resource allocation. Can help optimize manufacturing to increase safety and increase productivity. Companies like Toyota and Mitsubishi are already doing something like this. Optimization of traffic patterns in smart cities like Tokyo. They're already using big data sets to help optimize traffic in cars and subway routes. And Tokyo's seismic sensors help predict earthquakes and prepare for natural disasters. And this is two truths and a lie, where I tell two statements that are completely true and one that is completely fabricated, and you have to guess which one is true and which one is the lie. So, first, we have big data can help to predict consumer trends. The second is big data is often used for machine learning. And the third is the more data you collect, the better the insights. I'm going to give you 3 seconds and then I'm going to move on. Three, two, one. And the last one was the lie. The more data you collect does sometimes mean that you get better insights, but it's not always the case. This is set as an absolute statement when it's something that you can be taking with a bit of flexibility. All right, but that's all I have for you. Thank you for joining me today.